8. How can you resolve IP address conflicts in a VNet? IP conflicts occur when two resources are assigned overlapping IP addresses within the same network or paired VNets. To avoid this, always plan your IP address space before deploying. Use non-overlapping CIDR blocks for each VNet and subnet. In case of a conflict, you may need to reassign IPs or reconfigure address spaces. For paired networks, ensure that both VNets have unique and non-conflicting IP ranges. Tools like Azure IPAM, IP Address Management, or AWS VPC IP tracking can help manage IP allocations. Always document your network layout to prevent unintentional overlaps. 9. What is a network security group, NSG? An NSG is a set of rules that controls inbound and outbound traffic to resources within a subnet or individual VM. Each rule consists of a priority number, source and destination, protocol, port, and an action, allow or deny. NSGs act like a virtual firewall. You can attach NSGs to subnets or network interfaces. For example, an NSG on a web subnet might allow HTTP, port 80, and HTTPS, port 443, but deny SSH access from the internet. Proper use of NSGs is essential for securing cloud environments and preventing unauthorized access. 10. What is VNet peering and how does it work? VNet peering connects two VNets to allow traffic between them using private IPs without the need for a gateway or VPN. It's a low-latency, high-bandwidth connection. Peering can be within the same region, intra-region, or across different regions, global peering. However, peering is non-transitive, meaning if VNet A is paired with VNet B and VNet B with C, A cannot communicate with C unless explicitly paired. Each peering connection must have correct route tables and permissions set. Peering is often used in hub and spoke architectures or for connecting different business units securely. 11. What is a virtual private gateway or VPN gateway? A VPN gateway allows a secure encrypted connection between your cloud network, VNet or VPC, and an on-premises data center or another cloud provider. It supports site-to-site, point-to-site, and VNet-to-VNet connections. In Azure, it's called a VPN gateway, while in AWS, it's known as a virtual private gateway. You typically use a VPN device, like a firewall or router, on your side that connects to the gateway over the public internet, using IPsec/IKE protocol.